Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Valdrell Muslon and I am 18 years old, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Agroforestry. This semester in CSU has been a journey, and I want to share my biggest challenges, which is time management. Balancing coursework felt like trying to juggle chainsaws. I was constantly behind, missing deadlines and feeling overwhelmed. This directly impacts my academic performance, and I remember that one time, I submitted an assignment late for crop science and it affected my grade. One CSU rule that suffered was the assignment submission policy. My late submissions were a direct result of my poor time management. I learned that I needed to prioritize tasks. I started using the Eisenhower matrix to categorize my tasks by urgency and importance. This helped me focus on what truly mattered first. Next, I implemented time blocking. I scheduled specific time for studying, working, and even leisure activities. This structure helped me stay organized and procrastination. I also started using Google Calendar to manage my tasks and deadlines more effectively. This 21st century skills prioritization, time blocking, and leveraging technology were crucial. By prioritizing tasks, I focused on the most important assignments first. Time blocking ensured I dedicated specific time slots for each task, preventing me from getting overwhelmed. Technology helped me stay organized and track my progress. Looking ahead, I expect to see significant improvements. I anticipate better grades, reduced stress levels, and a healthier work-life balance. I am confident that by constantly applying these time management strategies, I'll not only succeed in my studies but also develop a valuable life skills. Thank you for watching.